All right, welcome guys. So here we are. I just wanted to go over this rear diffuser. I get asked a lot of questions about it. It's the GT style rear diffuser. It normally comes in black, but my brother got this for me for my birthday, so it is color matched. And the hardware came with 4 rivets and 2 screws. I didn't use the rivets at the time because I didn't have a rivet gun, but once I took it apart, I did end up getting a rivet gun and my own rivets, and I did the rivet, so rivet from the bottom. And it is held on by, I did add 2 self-tapper screws, one up here and then one underneath on each side of here to hold this up. And then it's another self-tapper here, and then it uses bumper clips all the way across. But I'll go ahead and just show you the quick video of, you know, how I have it mounted and just changing out the bulbs. All right, so just a quick overview. I took off my old diffuser here. So what I'm gonna do while I have it apart, I am gonna actually put rivets in these holes where the zip ties were. And on top of that, I got this off. As you can see, I did use self-tappers, so these 2 areas, I use self-tappers to hold that diffuser in place, to keep it steady. And then I'm gonna go and change out these bulbs. And these are the bulbs I'm switching out to. These are Philips. I love Philips LED. It's a 921 bulb. So that's what we're gonna switch it out with. Yeah, go down. I did use the rivet, so do it from this side in. This side I had to drill out, that's why it's a little bigger, but you want to do it from here because this looks way better. It's on the pretty tight. If you get this rivet from this side like this looks like the correct way to do it. So yeah, all right, and then just get this back on. But overall, I mean, there she is. So yeah, so that's it. That's all involved. But overall, very happy with the diffuser. It's still holding up great. The bulbs look great, and yeah, it's just a very quick, simple mod. And if it ever gets damaged, I can easily replace it and throw another one on there. So yeah, if you don't have a rivet gun, use like a nut bolt and washer, or you can just use really strong zip ties if you don't have any of those at all. So but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that and hope you're doing well, and we'll see you in the next video.